Hello, wonderful souls. Welcome back to our channel Magical Droplets with me, Chital Shah. Today, we will be getting guidance for our finances. Like usual, I have 5 set of cards that I have picked up for you all. Please take a deep breath in and breathe out. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. As you are relaxed, pick up a card. Now that you have picked up your card, let's begin with the reading. So for today's guidance for your finances, I have selected multiple cards from various oracle cards deck along with an affirmation for you all. So let's begin. So for all those people who have selected one number, let's begin with your readings. So for today's reading, we have various oracle cards deck that we are using to get guidance about your finances. So the first card that is coming up right now is Love Life. So as you all can see, with this card, the guidance that is coming up for your finances is that your love life plays an important part in your finances. As you heal your relationship with your loved ones, your finances definitely starts improving. Also with this card, I get a guidance that your relationship issues have come up from your childhood, and healing inner child issues or issues that have come up from your childhood would really be helpful not only for your love life but also for improving your finances. The second card that has come up for you people is Creative Project. So with this card, the angels are telling you to take up that creative project that you have been delaying for so long. You have all the knowledge and the wisdom that is necessary and required for you to be successful. Stop doubting yourself and take belief in yourself and believe that the angels and the universal energies are with you to help you be successful. Creative Project will not only help you to improve your finances, but it will bring to you the confidence that you have lost along the way. Know that the angels are always there to help and guide you along the path. The next guidance that is coming up for your finances again is Courage. So as you can see, when you take up a creative project, you not only increase your confidence but also it will help you with your love life. Archangel Ariel asks you to be courageous, so that when you become courageous, it will not only help you build confidence for your work and career, but it will also help you build confidence for your love life. The next card that comes up is from Goddess Islot, Undying Love. The love that you have shared is eternal regardless of the situation. So again, as you can see, this card is also with regards to love life, and this card is also with regards to your love life. So your love life, that is your not only your life with your partner but also with your own self, plays an important part in your finances. And as you heal yourself, heal your heart, your finances will improve. Okay, so I forgot, there is one more card underlying this, and that is Flower Power. So also you see this card says the flower power, and this card also has too many flowers in it along with flowers over here. So using flowers would definitely help you heal not only your love life but also your finances. And this should be taken up by you keeping plants of flowers near your desk in your house would definitely help you heal your finances. The next card that is coming up from Archangel Michael, we have two cards that says decide to be happy now and believe and trust. So you see again there's flowers around this card, which is the believe and trust card. And this card is also by Archangel Michael. Archangel Michael asked you to decide to be happy and believe and trust that you deserve the happiness and all the worldly treasures that you have been seeking. Once you decide that you deserve everything and you believe that you can receive everything with ease, Archangel Michael along with millions of angels will help you get and restore your financial abundance with ease. Next guidance is coming up from Archangel Raphael. Again you see relationship card has come up. So card 1, 2, 3. All the three cards signify that relationships play a major role in your finances, and there is immense healing that is required in your relationship. Once you improve your relationship with yourself, with your childhood relationships, and your relationships right now, your finances will definitely improve and take a turn for the better. Next we have the Romance Angel Oracle cards deck, guidance coming from it, which says it is safe for you to love. So also with this card we can associate with these three cards, and the guidance that we are getting right now for your finances is heal and believe and trust that you can heal yourself and you deserve the love that is yours. As you heal your inner child issues, your inner self, and as you believe and trust that it is safe for you to feel loved and to receive love, things will start improving. So lot of your financial issues have come up from your relationship issues, and that is something that requires a lot of healing from the guidance that we have been receiving right now. The next card says big happy changes. So you see, as you all can see, relationship plays a major part for all those people who have selected card 1. Also, having the courage to take up the creative project, deciding that you deserve all the happiness and the financial abundance, and believing that you can receive it also helps you to improve your finances. Using flowers is something that will help you heal not only your relationships but your career, and in all it will result in big happy changes in different areas of your life. That includes your relationship with yourself, with your partner, with your children, with your career, with your abundance, and definitely happiness is that you will receive permanently. Also, let's see the affirmations that you all have received, which says everyone I encounter at work today has my best interest at heart. So this is the affirmation that you have received, but as you take this affirmation seriously, you will get to know that also you need to have trust and confidence that your colleagues and your co-workers are really looking out for something that is for your highest good. Stop believing and feeling that no, they don't trust you and they are not doing things for your highest good, as that will only result in betterment. Know and trust that this is for your highest good and things are going to get better with each passing day. I hope that helps you, Group 1. Thank you. So, all those people who have selected card number 2, let's begin with your reading. So, for the first guidance, we have from the Goddess Guidance Oracle cards deck for your finances. Comes from Goddess Diana, Focused Intentions. So, with this card, Goddess Diana is asking you to have focused intention and be focused on your career and your financial destinations. As you see with the bow and arrow, the goddess is trying to be focused on her target. So with this card, Goddess Diana is asking you to set your targets and be focused what you would like to achieve in your life. As you stay focused, you will see it is far much easier for you to receive and reach the guidance and reach the destination. Second card is Ask. With this card, the angels are asking you to ask for help and assistance not only from God and the universe but also from your friends and families who you think might be very helpful to you. Don't think कि asking for help will make you feel low, but instead believe that there are many people who would like to help you and can really be of assistance to you during these times. So ask for help and assistance from your loved ones who would really have all the power and all the necessary guidance that you require for improving your finances. So third card that we have comes from Archangel Michael, which says, you created this situation and you have the power to change it. So remember, everything that happens in our life is our own creation. No other person is responsible for anything that we have created in our life. Our life is a result of the choices that we have made in the past. So we always have a chance and a choice to choose something greater and better for ourselves. So once we keep our intentions focused and we ask for help and assistance from angels, from God, goddesses, archangels, from our loved ones, and we make a desire for changing our present situation, there is nothing that can stop us from being successful, not only in our career and finances but in different areas of our life. Next card that is coming up for guidance for your finances is from Archangel Raphael, which says diet is important here. Also remember that having clean vegetarian food is definitely something that improves your energies and makes you feel fresh and confident. Lethargy is something that I see is coming up for, so changing your diet will help you let go of the procrastination and the lethargic feeling that you hold on to. Diet plays a crucial role for purifying and removing negative energies from your bodies and making space for clean thoughts to come in. The next card for your finances comes from again Archangel Michael, crystal clear intentions. So see, again Archangel Michael is asking you to have crystal clear intentions, which is again same that as the message that we have received from Goddess Diana, which says focused intentions. So as we keep these two cards together, the guidance that we are getting is that you are not focused in your career and about your financial goals. So have that focus that is required for you to be successful. As you make a clear intention of what you would like to have in your career, where you would like to reach in your career, and what type of finances and money you would like to have in your life, in your bank account, in your wallets, Archangel Michael, Goddess Diana, and all the mighty angels and archangels will definitely help you reach there. But you need to be first focused what you would like to have, and then ask for their help and assistance. And remember, once you ask for their help and assistance, you will be given choices. Nothing would be served you freely. You would be given choices, and you have to make the most of those choices and select choices that you know would be for your highest good. Staying there, not making any choices and waiting just for miracles and a plate full of beautiful delicious foods to be served to you and put in your mouth is not possible. You have to feed yourself. So like that ways you need to make choices and change your destination with your hard work and dedication. Next card that we have is express your individuality. So with this card, the angels are telling you to stop imitating other people and express your individuality. Allow your true self to shine because you are awesome. Many times people hide themselves behind closed doors and do not express themselves freely because of fear that what other people would say and what they would think about you. But with this card, the angels are telling you, as you stand out and shine your own true self, your bright energies, you will be successful because only you have things that you have and no one else can take your power and have your individuality. So it is best to take your individual powers back and to focus on it so that you can shine bright as the stars and the moons in the sky. The next card that we have is soulmate. So you can use this card along with this ask card which says ask for help, and here we have this soulmate card. So asking for help from your partners would really be something that you have been missing and which could really help you improve your finances. So without any hesitation, ask for help from your soulmates, from your partners, because your partners would have some important guidance that you have been missing and some important points that you have lost focus about in your career, in your finances, and getting guidance from them would really open up that thing that has been missing. That one particular thing that you have missed out for so long would be something that your soulmate, your partner, would definitely help you to focus upon and get help for. The next card is opportunity. So you see, wonderful opportunities are open for you right now, and Archangel Michael is also present for you to remove all the obstacles. So opportunities for abundance are on your way. Divine blessings are pouring on you. Be ready to receive this opportunity in your life. Let go of negative thoughts, feelings and emotions, and make crystal clear intentions. Ask for help and assistance from your loved ones. Change diet to something that would help you be fit, healthy and fresh. Make choices, express your individuality, and be open to receiving guidance and abundance from the divine. So this was your guidance, group number 2. And yes, how can we forget the affirmation? Deep at the center of my being and is an infinite well of love. So you see, as you focus on love, things will start improving. Love not only for others but for your own self. So I hope you all resonate with your reading, group number 2. Thank you. Guidance for people selecting card number 3 for their finances and career. Let's begin with the guidance. The first card comes from Mother Mary, Goddess Mary Magdalene, which says unconditional love. So, as you see, the goddess is telling you to have unconditional love. Unconditional love not only for yourself, for others, and for every situation, no matter what the outward appearance may be. So, with this card, Goddess Mary is telling you to have that unconditional love within yourself. Your financial condition or your career may not be in the best of health and well-being right now, but you need to send it love. Constantly worrying, saying negative things about it is not taking you anywhere. As you fill this situation with love, you will see situation getting better and better with each passing day. And as you express your gratitude for all the things that you have right now, for your own self, for others, and for this situation, that is your career and your finances, things will start improving magically. The next guidance is, what do you desire? So, with unconditional love, what is it that you truly desire is what the angels are asking you. Do you desire to have abundance? Do you desire to have love? Do you desire to have happiness? Or do you desire to have it all? What is it that you truly desire? Having one thing and not having the other thing is something that is not for the highest good. Be very focused on things that you truly desire to have in your life. You can desire and choose to have a successful career, an abundance of money, wealth and finances in your life, a happy, successful relationship not only with your spouse but with your parents, siblings, children, friends and relatives. And also you can choose to have a life full of ease, joy and glory. So what is it that you truly desire? Make that choice and express gratitude for it, and see that things will start shifting and unfolding soon. The next guidance that we have is from Archangel Raphael, which says positive thoughts create positive results. So as you see, desire and positive thoughts go hand in hand. As you desire something, always remember to have positive thoughts about it. Also, here we have received the guidance that love the situation no matter what it is. So, no matter what your current condition is with your career and with your finances, the angels are telling you to express gratitude and have positive thoughts that your career is going great, your finances are getting better with each passing day. And as you express your guidance and as you express your gratitude for it, things will start improving slowly and steadily. The next card we have is from Archangel Raphael, which says exercise is the key. So this card not only signifies exercise in terms of physical body but also exercise for your mind and your soul. Exercise for the mind and soul includes meditation, spending time in nature, and having good food. Good food in the sense vegan or vegetarian food that does not involve things that have to do with animals, because directly or indirectly by consuming something that is not clean food, we harm the nature and we are trying to destroy it, and we take their negative energies into us. So having clean food and exercising not only for your physical body but for your mental and emotional body is something that will help you. The next guidance that we have come up is from Archangel Metatron, which says chakra cleaning. So with this card, Archangel Metatron is asking you to call upon him or take assistance of someone to help clean and clear your chakras and balance it. So you can call upon Archangel Metatron and ask him to clear your chakras, or you can yourself do a chakra cleaning meditation by searching for some videos online, YouTube video guided meditations that come on YouTube, or consult an energy healer for cleaning and clearing your chakras. As your chakras get cleared, you open up space in your life for more positive energies to come in your life. The next guidance that we have is ask for what you want. So be clear in your ask. Both these cards go hand in hand, which says ask for what you want and what do you truly desire. So as you can see, the angels are clearly giving guidance that you are not clear as what you would truly like to have in your life, and so they are asking you to be very clear. And once you are clear, when you have specific intentions and goals set, and when you are crystal clear with your intentions, it becomes really easy for universe to deliver what you have asked for. So don't go into how it will come to you, when it will come to you. Just have your desires clear and know that the universe will deliver it to you. Okay people, so the next card we have for group number 3 is you deserve love. So with this card, let's combine this with this card and you will see that you deserve love, and having that love for yourself will create love from others as well. Once you identify that you are lovable and you are loved, you will start seeing more people appreciate you and love you the way that you always wanted them to love you. But for that, first you need to love yourself. But for that, first you need to love and appreciate yourself so that you can receive the love from others. So the next card that we have for today is wait. So with this card, the angels are telling you that your financial situation and your career will improve, but first you have to wait for the conditions to improve, and first you need to make desired changes. Know what do you want and what do you truly desire to have in your life. Fill yourself with unconditional love for yourself, for others, and for all the people around you, and for your career and finances. Know that you deserve love and create those positive changes in your life, starting with your physical body, your mental and emotional health, cleaning and balancing all your chakras. And as you complete this whole process, things will start improving for you. So with this card, the angels ask you to wait and make these changes. Start step by step with these changes so that you can see the maximum result and the maximum benefits for your career and finances. The affirmation that we have for this group is I am in a joyous, intimate relationship with a person who truly loves me. So you see, as you can relate with these two cards, which says unconditional love, you deserve love, and this card, this affirmation, it is love that you are lacking in your life is what comes from this card. This love has to come from within. You do not love yourself enough is the guidance that I am getting right now. And so keeping roses near to you or using rose aroma oil or rose fragrances with daily would definitely help you. So as using this affirmation and saying also the affirmation that I am lovable, I am loved, would definitely help you have that self-love that is missing right now in your life, and also will definitely help you improve your career and financial situations. Thank you, group 3. So all the people who have selected card number 4, let's begin with your guidance for your career and finances. So the first card that we have received for group number 4 is Purification, which comes from Goddess Coventina, which says it is time for a cleansing detoxification of your body and mind. So with this card, Goddess tells you that you need to purify not only your mind and your body but also your soul. Also, this card gives you a guidance that detoxifying and purifying your decluttering your drawers in your office and your workspace is something that would really help you get rid of those negative and lower energies and blocked storage spaces that have filled your drawers. Once you clear and declutter your office drawers and your workspace and remove all those stored files that are no longer required for you and store it somewhere else, or remove the discard the files that are not important for you, you will make space for more things to come into your life, like new projects, new opportunities that will come to you. And it will also, this decluttering of your workspace will also be an emotionally releasing thing for you. As you see, the goddess is holding a cup, so all the stored emotions, dense emotions that you have stored will get released as you declutter your office space. The next guidance that we have for you is be honest with yourself. So with this card, the angels are telling you to be honest whether you truly desire to be in this workspace or you choose to have a different work environment, whether you love this job or your career, or whether you choose to have a different career. Be honest, know what is there in your heart, remember your heart choices and work with it. Many a times people so happen that they tell that I deserve this promotion, I deserve this promotion, but I did not receive it. So in such cases, the angels are asking you to ask yourself, did you really deserve that promotion? Did you really desire that promotion and the additional responsibilities that would have come with it? Or it is just that you are telling and helping yourself just by saying that I deserved it, but it is office politics or XYZ reason for which I did not receive it. Ask yourself and be honest with yourself whether you truly desired and deserved whatever that it is that you are asking, or is it just an excuse that you are using right now. The next guidance for your finances is your home is protected by angels. So with this card, Archangel Michael is telling you to stop worrying about your home and your family, because Archangel Michael is taking care of your loved ones. He is always there providing you with the material needs and the finances that is required for you to maintain your home and your family members. Stop worrying. Be honest with yourself. Choose something that is for your highest good. Declutter your drawers, declutter your diaries, and make space for new opportunities to come in, is the guidance for group number 3 till now. Let's see what the next card says. Change physicians. So with this card, the guidance that group number 4 is receiving from Archangel Raphael is that you need to get yourself physically checked. There is something going on in your body that has not come to your knowledge and which needs healing. So Archangel Raphael asks you to consult a different physician from your present one, or if you have not consulted your present physician, go and consult him, get yourself checked, because there is something in your body that is not going right now and which needs immediate attention. And as you have chosen these cards and this guidance has come up, do not ignore this sign and get yourself consulted and checked. As you get your body healed, you will have more than enough space and the freedom to choose something different and make greater choices. The next guidance comes from Archangel Chamuel, which says, Beloved one, I am helping you with your spiritual soulmate relationship. So as you all might be knowing, Archangel Chamuel is the angel of love, and he can also help you receive guidance for career. Archangel Samuel can also help you make changes for your career. So if you can see and if you can relate with these two cards, be honest with yourself and beloved Archangel Samuel's guidance. Archangel Samuel is telling you to be honest with your career choices and make a new career choice if need be, and call upon him to help you make that career transition easy and comfortable for you. Don't let the fear hold you back. Archangel Michael is always there to protect you and safeguard you and your family and loved ones. Don't let fear come in your way, and call upon Archangel Samuel, who will ensure that the change in your career is something that is easy and comfortable for you. So the next guidance that we have is from Archangel Sandalphon, which says gentleness. Be very gentle with yourself at this time. Surround yourself with gentle people and situations and environment. So with all these things coming up and this card coming up, Archangel Sandalphon tells you that don't let fear take majority part of you. Call upon angels, archangels, and the god, goddess, and the and whoever you trust and believe in and pray to, so that they can help you make this easy for you and fill you and your heart with love that you deserve, and make it very comfortable for you to choose something that is greater and better for yourself. The next guidance that is coming up is new career. So you see how this whole thing is going on for group number 4. First, we received a purification card which says cleansing and decluttering your office and your workspace. Then be honest with yourself, and once you see this card in harmony with this 3 cards, you will get to know that there is a new career opportunity that is there in the books for you, and a new career change that you have been asking since so long, but you have not been honest with yourself. So for all those of you who had been asking whether I should move to a new career or whether a shift in my career would be something that is right for me, know that this is the guidance and this is a sure shot yes. Please do not ignore this guidance and make that required changes towards your new career. Be honest that what is it that you truly desire and have the likeness for. What is your passion truly about? What is it that is something that you would choose irrespective of the money that comes in? What is it that you would do at any time, even while you are widest, while you are asleep and someone tells you to do something? What is it that you would love to do in that sleep? And as soon as someone wakes you up, that is the career that you should be pursuing right now. So group number 4, be honest and choose that career. Archangel Samuel is also an archangel that would help ease the transition for change in your careers. And this new career card also signifies that there is a new career shift happening. So call upon Archangel Samuel to make this transition easy for you, and call upon Archangel Sandalphon to help you have the kindness for you and to surround yourself with gentle people and people who would be highly beneficial for your new career. So you are getting into a new career, group 4. The next guidance is new home. Wow. So along with a new career, I see many of you are shifting to a new location. I don't know whether it is away from the city, but it is definitely moving to a different location. It could be within the same city or outskirts or somewhere else, but definitely a new career and a new home is in cards for group number 4. calling Archangel Michael to ease the stress that comes from career change and shifting of homes would be highly beneficial for group number 4. Archangel Michael will assure that you and your loved ones are safe and protected. All your family needs, material needs are met during this transition types. Archangel Sandalphon will ensure that you are surrounded with the right type of people when you make this transition, and he'll ensure that all those people who could be highly helpful to you during this change come along. Archangel Samuel will make sure that the transition is very easy and smooth and results in a very highly win-win situation for all the parties involved. However, don't forget to get yourself checked physically. Get a full body checkup. Blood checkup is what is indicated right now, because there is something in your body that needs immediate attention, and this card strongly suggests that, along with Archangel Raphael's guidance that we have received. Also, this purification guidance is something that you can take along with this card, which says you need to purify your body as well, and going on a diet or something would highly be beneficial in purifying your body. So the next card for group number 4 is separation. Okay, so if we take these 3 cards together, or maybe all of these together, the separation card not only suggest separation from your partner, but over here this card is nothing to fear about. This card suggests separating from from your old office, somewhere where you have been attached to emotionally. So this could be your present office where you could be attached with, or your career where you have spent many years in this career that you are doing right now, and you are not ready to move out of it emotionally. But this separation over time would be something that would be highly beneficial for you. So let go of those emotions, like this man is holding his hand on his heart. Let go of it and choose to have a new career for yourself. The next guidance and the last guidance card that we have for you is ask your angels. So with this card, the angels are telling you, sit quietly and ask your angels for help and assistance with this career change and with this shift in your career and finances. Definitely things are getting better with each passing day, but receiving clear guidance from your angels with regards to your career is something that would really help you. And do not hesitate to ask for help and assistance from not only your angels but your family and your loved ones, because they would definitely help you. And with this card, I am also receiving guidance that your present boss or your superior would also be of help to you when you make a shift in your career. Also with this card, I am getting a guidance that maybe you can shift to a different department within the same organization if there are provisions for you. And if people are there who are asking with regards to spiritual healing as a career, I suggest this card strongly suggests that is a possibility for people who are seeking guidance to become healers. Also, I see guidance for people who are trying into interior designing, fashion designing careers. This card suggests that yes, that is also a strong possibilities for you to shift and go into interior designing, fashion designing, or something that has to be with gardens, flowers, or something, because both these careers is strongly suggested and comes up for people who have selected card number 4. And the guidance that is coming up for you is, I love and accept my family exactly as they are. So with this card, you need to accept your family and love your family, and know that they also love you and accept you as you are. There is no bitterness around any one of you, and there are only feelings of love that prevail in a family. Though there are disagreements that happen within family members, but that is also a way to express love. And only when you love someone, you tend to fight with them and disagree with them openly. Otherwise, disagreement with people you don't care about or you don't love truly doesn't happen frequently. So I hope this reading helps group number 4, and be rest assured that a career transition, a new home is on the way. Archangel Samuel, Archangel Sandalphon, Archangel Michael are there to love and protect you and help in this career transition. Get yourself physically checked by a doctor, get your body test done. Detoxify your body and detoxify your office drawers and office space, workspaces. Trust that you know, and fear is not going to take you anywhere. You know what is best for you, and you need to set it right now. This is the ideal time to make that change in your career and finances. Archangel Michael is protecting you and your loved ones, and the angels are always there, ready to help and guide you. Thank you, group number 4. I hope you resonate with the reading. Okay, everyone. So, people who have selected card number 5, finally your cards have arrived. So, let's begin with your guidance for your career and finances. Group number 5. So, the first card that you all have selected is from Goddess Saraswati, which says the arts. So with this card, Goddess Saraswati is telling you to have full trust about your arts and about the knowledge that you have received. Bask in the knowledge and wisdom that you have received till now, and take her blessings and start with your work. There is no need to delay anything any further. Just believe that you have all the knowledge and expertise that is required for you to be successful, and start with your creative activities right now so that your career and finances go ahead in your life. The next guidance that we have received is from Goddess Pele, Divine Passion. So you see these two cards go hand in hand. Along with your knowledge and wisdom, don't forget to follow your passion. As you follow your passion, along with the knowledge and wisdom that you have acquired, there is nothing that is impossible for you to achieve. The divine showers its abundance on you, to you, and for you. So follow your passion, follow the guidance and wisdom that you have received and the knowledge that you have received from formal education, and know that you are successful. However, don't let this be an overconfidence for yourself. Follow the divine path and the knowledge and wisdom that you receive so that you move ahead in your life. The next card that we have received is Trustworthy Guidance. So with this card and the above cards, we see that the angels are also telling you to trust the guidance that you are receiving right now. Not only from yourself but from the angels. The angels are constantly guiding you towards something. There is some guidance and there is some constant reminder that is coming to you frequently right now. Please trust it. Please trust it. Listen carefully to the divine guidance that the angels, the goddesses are giving you. And if you are still unsure whether the guidance that you are receiving is the divine guidance, ask the angels to tell you very clearly and give you guidance very clearly as to the next steps that you should take in your life. So group number 5, the next guidance that is coming up from Archangel Michael is shield yourself. So As you see showers of abundance and opportunities pouring on you from the above card. Also divine protection is required for you, is what Archangel Michael is suggesting from this card. So please always ensure that you are using the protective gears wherever it is required for you in your profession, in your career, in your work environment. If you are a healer, always ensure that you are protected and safe. If you are someone who does work that requires always wearing protective gears, like if you are a doctor, using gloves, masks and shields is something that is coming up. For people in the construction business, using the helmets, that is mandatory required, is also coming up. For people driving generally, when you are moving around, using helmets and seat belts is also something that the Archangel Michael is telling you all. And if you are in a situation right now where your country is going through some illness or something, using protection, shielding yourself is something that Archangel Michael advises you all to do right now. Don't forget to shield yourself, protect yourself, and know that once you are protected and safe, you can receive the guidance and go ahead, follow your passion and receive success in it. The next guidance that is coming up is from Archangel Raphael, which says organic food, along with shielding and trustworthy guidance. Having organic food and plants and having a plant-based diet is something that Archangel Raphael suggests. As you take organic food, you cleanse your system and makes space for positivity and positive energies to come to you. Also, using organic foods will help you have clear desires and intentions that is for your highest good. So if possible, you can choose organic foods or at least choose plant-based food and diet for yourself. So the next guidance for finances coming up for group number 5 is stretch. So with this card, Archangel Raphael is saying, dear, the prayer that we have received is, dear Archangel Raphael, thank you for staying by my side and motivating me to take excellent care of myself in all ways. So with this card, Archangel Raphael is telling you that for opportunities and receiving success in your career and finances, you need to have some sort of physical activity in your life. Doing stretches, that means doing yoga, would definitely help you. Along with yoga, doing some other form of exercise that includes stretching, dancing, pilates is something that would help you a lot. Also swimming and doing physical activities and spending time in nature, like this child is spending time below a tree. So spending time in nature is also something that will definitely help this group, is the guidance that we have received till now for group number 5 for their career and finances. The next card that we are receiving is from Archangel Samuel, career transition. So what a lovely card to receive this, because group number 4 also received a guidance which said about career transition, and group number 5 also has received a clear sign of career transition. So all those people who are looking to change their careers, this is a wonderful opportunity, and there is divine guidance and blessings from Archangel Samuel which is helping you with career transition. Do not worry if you are someone who is thinking about whether I should change a career, change from my present career to another one. Consider this as a yes. This is the divine time and the opportunity, and you can call upon Archangel Samuel to making and ensuring that this career transition is a smooth one. And also be assured that the career that you will be transitioning into, group number 5, is something that is your life purpose. See, life purpose change is it is. So this new career would be something that would fill your heart with love and joy and happiness, and would result in a win-win situation, not only in terms of finances but in terms of relationships as well. So the next card for group number 5 is prosperity. Wow, what a wonderful card to receive, group number 5. So with a career change and change in food habits, physical activities, shielding, protection, using knowledge and wisdom, following your divine passion, and using the guidance from angels, rest assured that group number 5 is heading towards prosperity. Be assured that all your physical and material needs will be met now more than ever, and the angels are blessing you with financial abundance. Archangel Ariel is blessing you with the prosperity that you truly deserve because of your years of hard work, and also because that you have made a conscious choice to move into prosperity and to have that prosperity right now in your life. So cheers to group number 5. Let the money come in. Next guidance that we have received is autumn. So if there is a time based question with regards to career that group number 5 has been asking, be assured that in the fall season, that is the autumn, everything that comes together and you will reap wonderful results of your harvest of abundance. So let the blessings come in. The next card is worth waiting for. If you are unsure about a change of career or uncertain how things are going to follow in your life, please wait. Don't rush into things. Call upon the angels, trustworthy guides, call upon them, ask for their help and assistance. Make conscious choices with regards to food, exercise, shielding, protection. Follow your wisdom and wait. Don't just jump into conclusions. Wait for the guidance. Wait till autumn and wait for the guidance for what it is that you truly would make you. Wait for the guidance. Also, the guidance that I am getting from worth waiting for card is, if some of you are planning to enter into a relationship, this card signifies that please wait right now, because that abundance is on its way, and maybe the partner you are seeking right now is not the right life partner for you. Let there be a smooth transition of your career. Let there be smooth transition of your career, and let your income be something that is you are satisfied with, and then enter into a committed relationship with your partner. The next guidance that we are receiving for group number 5 is unlikely. So taking this card with all these cards, that is group number 5, guidance for your career and finances. Unlikely is something that I associated with this card. So I feel that the partner that in terms of relationship, as in your marriage partner or your business partner, I feel the guidance that I am getting right now is the partner is not the right partner for you. Please ask the angels for more guidance and for more guidance, and also please protect yourself with angelic blessings and with help of Archangel Michael, because I see that your partner is not something that you can trust with regards to your finances, and maybe this partner in your business is someone, business or in your career, is someone that would cheat you for your finances. So don't enter into a partnership with this person that you are planning to enter into, because he is unlikely to be the best partner for you. and definitely it would result in financial losses, is what I am getting with regards to a partner for group number 5. And the affirmation for group number 5 is, love is powerful, your love and my love. Love brings us peace on earth. So group number 5, let love prevail, think from your heart. And don't forget, while thinking from your heart, it is always necessary to protect yourself, to receive, keep your eyes and ears and mind open to receive the divine guidance. Follow the wisdom and passion that you have, and call upon angels to receive the clear guidance that you desire for your career and finances. I hope all of you have enjoyed the reading for their career and finances. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel Magical Droplets. Please follow us on our Facebook page and Instagram page, and please comment in the comment section below of how well you resonate with the reading. Thank you. Love and blessings. Chittal Shah, Magical Droplets.